Not bad.
Goodbye, orange juice.
Okay, we constructed this giant Pokeball of death, and hopefully it'll make a big explosion and not kill anybody or get us arrested. You ready?
Pokeball complete with artillery shell inside?
Yeah. Oh shit. Whatever.
Alright, so basically what we got going here is Roman candle target practice. Dude, your aim sucks. Get that shit.
Oh, that was close. Oh, come on, dude, you are so much better than me.
Come on, baby. Oh, shoot there. God damn it. Oh, come on.
See, it's not as easy as it looks. You're out. Oh my god.
Did you get it?
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, so we got Jigglypuff here. Completely normal looking Jigglypuff, right? Alright, but on the back we got a little firecracker in there.
Pretty much.
Alright, Chinese firecracker, fairly highly explosive. Let's see what happens. Aha.
Now!
Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff, Jiggly fucking puff.
Oh my god.
Holy shit!
Dude, those things are awesome.
Holy shit!
I didn't have a chance.
Oh my god! That's all that's left of Jigglypuff.
Bitch got out.
God damn it! Oh my god. Have here, guys, is your standard run-of-the-mill Pokeball. Or do we?
Alright, I feel too bad to blow this shit up.
Check this out.
Looks like a Pokeball. And Pikachu!
Ah, what the hell?
I choose you.
Sweet. Aww. Alright, we got Squirtle, guys. Squirtle. Squirtle! Squirtle, Squirtle. 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 I don't know, it's giving Squirtle a blowjob apparently. I think Squirtle's about to blow his load. Whoa. Catch my drift.
There he goes.
Holy.
Oh my god. I mean, it's black cotton now, but it's still there.
Jigglypuff just died. Oh my god.
Jigglypuff is still there. Oh. I mean, around. There's some over here, some of them over there.
And Squirtle is there.
Squirtle is strewn about.
Pikachu's still kind of fluffy.
Pikachu's still kind of there.
Dude.
Alright, let's get something else.
Oh yeah, baby. Alright, we got Pikachu on a skateboard. You can't see anything, but oh, there we go.
Let's do it. See something in a second.
Yes! Yes! It actually moved. It moved. Yes!
Like a mushroom cloud.
Holy shit!
It's only half a Pikachu, that's his head! I
don't know where the rest of Pikachu. Oh shit.
You'll be fine.
Alright, Chinese firecracker plus cassette player equals owned.
You got it?
Yeah, we're recording, baby. We're hot. We're live. Oh god, this is gonna splatter everywhere. Holy, holy shit!
Oh my god.
We didn't even get away. Holy shit. Oh my god. Did you hear that shit? How did it sound?
It sounded like a real explosion.
Dude, it took it off the fucking stand. Look. Holy god. Oh my god.
I wish I had seen what happened, but I felt what happened. I felt the shrapnel.
Holy crap. Damn. Dude, bring it in the light.
Why didn't we get a video of that? You should have been further away already.
Shit.
Oh my god.
We didn't even get away. Ow. That had to have hurt.
Don't breathe any of that in. It's silicone chips and plastic and... Oh my god.
It's like a little campfire, you know.
Should we put this thing out?
Oh shit. No, it's contained. We're good.
I know it's contained, but I mean, it's bad for the air.
Nah.
Like, really, do not breathe any of that smoke in.
It's going straight up, man. We're good.
It's not going straight up. Don't stand over there, for example.
Look at this.
You're right.
Just look at this guy. This is getting bigger. It's all leaking. It's taking a crap while he's doing this.
It's not contained anymore.
It's going nuts. Oh
right.
god. The grass is on fire. The fucking grass is on fire. Video. What you got? What you working with, though?
Alright, well, you light the missile first. That'll go off. Well, this fuse is still going around. It wraps around a little bit. Then lights this. And then it goes up here and lights the artillery shell. And boom! Hopefully this will shoot it. So you should be able, if it goes right, this will shoot it really high. And this will shoot it even higher. And then it'll explode. But it might not actually work like that. We're going to have to find out.
Let's do it. I can't even see. Oh, I lighted a tree. Oh, god damn it.
The timing, we missed something with the timing, but...
Sweet.
Is that the bottle rocket that shot down?
I think so. Artillery shell.
In the water.
Into the water.
If I hit the water.
If he doesn't throw like a girl.
That's awesome.
That was pretty cool, I'll give you that. Okay. Well then.
That worked pretty damn well.
Yeah.
Ow! There it goes.
Holy shit! The entire boombox is gone. It's melted. It's melted. It's gone.
What was we set off 2 artillery shells inside of half a boombox. We already blew up at a Chinese firecracker.
Ben, look. Ben, look. This piece of the boombox right here. Should I throw it on? Or should I keep it? That's all we have left.
Well, no, we got the other half of it.
Fuck it. Alright, update. This is all that's left of the boombox now. We got these little pieces, the speakers here.
The table itself is still hot.
The meltedness that is here, that got the charred.
This is not coming off of this table. Look at this.
It's glued.
This is a part of the table.
Welded onto the table. Dude, the antenna's still good, I think. It's our bucket of stuff that we blew up today. Awesome. Several Pokemon carcasses are in there. They will be missed.
Oh my god.
I was like, oh, okay, then. You got Suicide Bomber Pikachu. Pika! Pika! Pika!